0 will be a cognate, zero. Then going from there, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the most important ones, so let's say them again together, a bit more slowly. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. From there we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. From here to 100, it's pretty easy. We just need a new word for each multiple of 10, and the ones in between just use the base word for that set of 10, and then add the words for 1 through 9. The only trick is that if the number coming after the base word starts with a vowel, like with uno and otto, the last vowel of the base word will be dropped. Starting with 20, we get 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. From there, we repeat the same thing with 30 as the base word. Then 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's everything from 1 to 100. After that, it's just what you would expect. 134 will be 134, which is just the words for 100, then 30, then 4. 200 is 200, and so forth. For 1,000, we say 1000, and multiples of that will be 2000, 3000, and so on. Million is milione, billion is miliardo, and that